President. Anong gagawin natin sa motion to dismiss? How do we deal with it?
May
We
I
are in
answer,
plenary
Mr.
as a legislative body. We're not an impeachment court. So yun ang tanong ko po, Mr. President. Yun ang essence ng aking parliamentary inquiry.
The predisposition of the chair is what I stated, but subject, of course, to the wisdom of plenary. Maybe here from Senator Marcoleta, with respect to his ideas, given that he is the proponent
Mr.
of the
President,
motion.
it is true that the motion to dismiss is not part of our rules. But it is part of our rules po yung pagiging suppletory application po ng rules of court. In the rules of court, yung korte po can motu proprio dismiss a case kung wala pong jurisdiction. And considering that the rules of court has become part of our rules, that's why I use the motion to dismiss. Pag wala pong jurisdiction, halimbawa, sa isang korte, collection case po ito, 5,000 pesos po yung pinahal niya, dinismiss po ng court kahit hindi pa sumagot yung